This tutorial will demonstrate some of the features of this tool as you begin to reorganize your room and decide where things fit and how the configuration will work best for you and your roommate. The first thing you want to do as you look at the entirety of this screen is to possibly zoom out depending upon the size of your screen so you can see all of the features and things that there are on here for you to utilize. The first thing I'd like to show you is that you can begin to move things around in this room to see how it's organized and make it fit your needs. There are some items that are initially locked, such as the door, since you cannot move a door or a window, and the dressers in this room are locked as well. Next thing you would want to do as you begin inside your room, as I have provided a few of the very common items over here on the side of these rooms that many college students have. For example, a couch or a futon, a TV, chairs, refrigerator, microwave, things like this, so that to save you time as you begin to look for things. The next feature is some of the multimedia that has been embedded into this tool. For example, here on a small symbol, you click on that and will pop up the actual appearance of one of these closets, and you click on that picture and it will show you the picture of the closet, as well as what's been included here are the dimensions and the depths of this closet. Also over here you see another one on this particular room option under the lofted bed, and there you click on here and there are bed lofted instructions, a YouTube video clip for there. So as you begin to move around this space and get a sense of how you want your room organized, you can pick and choose what to move around. Once you have the room set up how you think you would like to have it, you go over to the 3D view up here in the upper right corner, click on that 3D view. This then brings up the 3D view of the room. You can move it around the room to see it at different angles. A few things you may notice on this room is that some of the colors that were chosen on objects disappear, but you still get the sense of how the room is organized. If the angle of the room is too tight, then you can simply go to the 3D and you can choose to remove the walls, and then that allows you to be able to see the room a little bit better without the walls in the way as you maneuver things around. You cannot move any of the objects in the 3D view. You have to go back to the 2D view in order to move things. So as you're organizing your room, you may choose to put in lofted beds. So you simply pull over a lofted bed. Let's say both you and your roommate want to loft your beds, so you go to the next feature, which is you can duplicate. You click on the object and a few options pop up. The first one is duplicate. So now you have two lofted beds. And now with a lofted bed, you may choose to put, say, a couch under your bed. And you click back on 3D and you see this room is set up. Now, one of the issues you may notice is that the bar, the stability bar for the beds, is this one's duplicated, is on the outside wall, but this one is on the inside wall. An easy fix to that is back in 2D mode. Click on the eye and it gives you a few options. One of those options is to mirror the object. So now it'll create a duplicate. So now by clicking that mirror button, that stability bar is now on the outside. The next thing you can do within that eye, we'll use a mini fridge as an example. Pull the mini fridge over. There you can change the dimensions. So say the mini fridge you purchased is a square 20-inch by 20-inch refrigerator. It is the color black. You change it to black, and let's say that instead of having it on the floor, you want to put it on top of something. So right now that fridge is set to be a 3-foot high fridge. Let's say your fridge is only 1.5 feet. So you change your height down, but you want to put it on top of your desk as well, so you change the elevation so that it's now 2.5 feet off the ground. And once that's done, now you just pull your fridge over on top of the desk, and if we go into 3D mode, you would see the height of their fridge is lower, so that's on top of your desk, as well as you would see the stability bar behind the couch. The last item I wanted to show were the various options you have for adding additional types of furniture in your room. So along with all of these options that are here, let's say you wanted to add a rug. So you go over to the search function over on the left hand side of the screen, type in rug, and up pops many different options. You select this one. As you can see, this rug is far larger than what you might have in a residence hall room. You already know you want a 3-foot by 5-foot rug. So you click on that eye and you change your dimensions in inches down to a 3-foot or 60-inch by 36-inch rug. And there you have a rug that better fits what you are looking to do. And so now we take the room you have set up, put it back in 3D mode, remove the walls so we can see it. And here you can see how now we have your couch underneath your lofted bed with a nice rug underneath it. This is all the tools we have. Enjoy your time as you begin to set up and organize your room.